As of August 2025, directly transferring funds instantly between Apple Cash and Cash App isn't possible due to them being competing digital wallet platforms. However, there is a workaround. The most common and recommended method involves using a bank account as a bridge between the two platforms. The process works in two steps. First, you transfer your Apple Cash balance to your linked bank account. Then, from your bank account, you transfer the funds to your Cash App account. Now let's look at the timing and costs involved. Standard transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days and are often free. However, instant transfers are available for a small fee. This bank bridge method has a success rate of over 99% and is the most reliable way to move funds between Apple Cash and Cash App. While it requires patience for standard transfers, it provides a secure and cost-effective solution. While the bank account method is most common, there's a faster alternative using a debit card as an intermediary between Apple Cash and Cash App. The debit card method uses your debit card as a bridge between the two platforms. You add the same debit card to both Apple Cash and Cash App accounts. First, you need to add the same debit card to both your Apple Cash and Cash App accounts. This creates the connection between the two platforms. Here's how the transfer process works. You have your Apple Cash account on the left, your debit card in the middle, and Cash App on the right. Step 2. Transfer money from Apple Cash to your debit card. Then Step 3. Load your Cash App balance from the same debit card. Let's see this in action with a $100 transfer. The debit card method is significantly faster than bank transfers, taking just minutes to hours instead of days. However, this speed comes at a cost. Apple Cash charges a 1.5% fee for instant transfers to debit cards, and Cash App may have additional fees for loading funds from your debit card. When transferring money between platforms, security should be your top priority. There are several important practices to follow. Always enable two-factor authentication on both accounts. Verify recipient information before sending money. Use only official apps and regularly monitor your account activity. Be especially careful of phishing attempts during multi-step transfers. Scammers often target users with fake emails claiming urgent account issues. Never click suspicious links or provide your login credentials via email. To summarize, the debit card method offers speed in minutes to hours, but consider whether the 1.5% fees are worth the convenience. Most importantly, always prioritize security over speed when transferring your money.